guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new, then welcome to the channel. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so that you won't miss any updates when I upload new videos on this channel. So, in this video, we are going to discuss decision tree example as I promised you in previous video. So, yeah, let's just dive into it. So let's see this what I mean of what data we are going to build the decision tree. So let's classify the animals like elephant, lion, giraffe, and zebras based on simple characteristics. So the problem is to classify animals which are elephant, lion, zebra, and giraffe. So as we discussed this steps in previous video also, so let's just discuss the same steps using this example. Okay, so the step one is to initialize the question. That means on what basis are we going to divide the root node of our decision tree. So our initial question might be, is the animal predominantly covered in stripes? That means the animal is having stripes or not. Then after that we will create a decision node, and we create a node with the question, is animal predominantly covered in stripes or not. So splitting the data, we split the animal into two groups, that is those predominantly covered in stripes and those are not covered in stripes. And step 4 is repeating the process. As you know, for each group we ask more questions. For the stripes group we ask, does it have a long neck or not. For non-stripe group we ask, does it have a shaggy mane or not. And we create nodes for these questions and split the data further. So I have a slide which shows the decision tree entirely. I will show you after a few slides. Okay, so the step 5 is knowing when to stop. So after doing some operations we will finally stop, right? So when do we have to stop? When we have asked the enough questions and when all the animals in a group are the same. For example, if we find all the animals with stripe and if the animal has long neck are classified as giraffe. And the step 6 is reaching a conclusion. So after doing everything we will reach out to the leaf nodes which gives us the final result. After doing separating all the nodes, and those leaf nodes tell us in what class does the things belong. For example, we might find an animal which have stripes and which have long neck are giraffe, and the animal which do not have stripe and they are shaggy maned, then they it is a lion. So that is conclusion. And step 7, which is running, so it is optional. If you find the tree too much complex, then we have to remove some branches from the tree, but in our case it is not compulsory. Step 8 is visualizing and predicting. So we can draw the decision tree on paper to understand. So I have done that and I kept that image of the paper in the next slide, so I'll show you that slide. So let's go to the next slide. This is the discussion for our decision tree. So now let me show you the decision tree first of all. This is the tree. First, here at the root node, we are taking all the animals. It's a little bit blurry, but just ignore it. First is elephant, then lion, then giraffe, then zebra. So now at this root node, we have created this node and now we are splitting it, and the animal which are having stripes we will take it to the right hand side and we will add those animals into a node. So here the stripes is the node and the result of this decision is the branch. And the last thing that you see over here, these are called leaf nodes, which is the last output. So first we classified if the animal is having stripes or not. Then we classified yes striped and no not striped. In the striped class we have zebra and giraffe, and after this at this node we are again asking it a question that is it having a long neck or not, then we classify it, yes it has a long neck, and it do not have a long neck. So if the animal have a long neck, that is giraffe, so we will take it onto the right hand side, and the zebra which is not having a long neck, we will take it onto the left hand side, and we will classify it the animal which do not have long neck. And on the left hand side, if you see, which the animal which do not have stripes are elephant and lion. Now again further we will at this node we will ask the question, is the animal shaggy mane or not? Then again we will divide it into classifications, yes or no. Then we will have elephant on the left hand side and lion on the right hand side. So elephant, lion, zebra and giraffe are now in separate groups, and these all are leaf nodes. So finally the decision tree has ended. So and the next step was pruning, right? So we do not need pruning because it is a simple decision tree, it is not much complex, we do not need to remove any branch from this tree. So I hope you understood this explanation. So now let's just take a look at the previous slide, which is explaining us what the things are over here. So at the root node, the initial question is the animal predominantly covered in stripes or not? If yes, we go striped node, and if no, we go to no striped nodes. And then we have striped nodes, in which the animals are there which have stripes on their body. The question at this node is that it is having a long neck or not. If yes, then we will classify it as a giraffe, or if no, then we will classify it as a zebra. And on the no stripe node, the animal which do not have stripes, we will ask the question that does it have a shaggy mane or not? Then if yes, then it is a lion, and it is classified as a lion node. And if no, then it is an elephant leaf node, and it is classified as an elephant. So yeah, that's it. In the summary, we traverse the tree by answering the questions at each node until we reach a leaf node, so which provides the final classification for the answer. This is how decision tree learning divides the data into categories, a series of decision based on features and characteristics. So yeah, I hope you understood whatever I have explained in this video, and I'll meet you in next video. Until then, you subscribe to the channel, press that bell icon and click that like button if you liked the video.